Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Here I am Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. And our today's topic is chapter 12. And we will discuss lesson 3 from this chapter. And today we will know about biodiversity in our lesson. Okay. So let's start our class. So biodiversity is a shortened form of two words, that is biological and diversity. And biodiversity refers to all the variety of life that can be found on earth, as well as to the communities that they form and the habitats in which they live. That means the way in which diverse living beings live in nature is called biodiversity. And man, animals and insects live here maintaining a balance. So why diversity is important in ecosystem? Because biodiversity boosts ecosystem productivity, where each species, no matter how small, all have an important role to play. That means the existence, reproduction and evolution of all living beings are going on in nature in a balanced way. And different species of plants and animals live or die due to various changes in climate and temperature. And why biodiversity is important to human life? Because biodiversity is important to humans for ecological life support. And because of biodiversity, we get the supply of oxygen, clean air and water, pollination of plants, wastewater treatment, etc. And healthy ecosystems clean our water, air or soil, regulate the climate, recycle nutrients and provide us with food. So that's why we need biodiversity. And how biodiversity affects human. Humans affect biodiversity by their population numbers, use of land and their lifestyles, causing damage to habitats for species. And it is dangerous for us to let biodiversity be affected. Living beings are symbiotically dependent. That means, okay, let me give you an example. Animals live by inhaling oxygen, which is exhaled by plants in air. And on the contrary, plants depend on animals for their necessary nitrogen. That means they are dependent on each other. Now, the condition of biodiversity in Bangladesh. Houses, roads and towns are now being built filling water bodies due to the increase of country's population, which is leaving a bad impact on biodiversity. Means the normal flow of water is hampered because of the building of houses and roads. So, reproduction of aquatic animals and fishes is hampered. Aquatic animals means the animals which live in water. The use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides has been a must to enhance food production to feed our increased population. And reproduction of fishes, insects and birds is hampered. And moreover, the cultivable land is diminishing due to the building of houses, roads and towns. So, we should reduce the use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides. Now, there has been a pressure on plant, animal and fish resources due to the increase of country's population. That means it affects the gas and water supply in urban areas, and temperature in rural areas has increased because of the decrease of vegetation. So, this is the condition of biodiversity in Bangladesh. Now, we will know what to do to protect biodiversity. Now, do's in protecting biodiversity. There are few points. Let's read. population should be reduced. That means we should control our population because ours have overpopulation. That's why our biodiversity is in danger. Cultivable land should not be spoiled. So we should be more careful that we are not wasting our or spoil our cultivable land. Policy to protect biodiversity in agro production should be adopted. So we should maintain some policy to protect biodiversity. Fertilizer and pesticide should not be used unnecessarily. So we will not use fertilizer and pesticide without any reason. Normal flow of water should not be blocked, so that the fish resources can grow properly, and water reservoir should be built and water should be reserved. Now rules should be obeyed in using chemicals. So there should be our rules to use chemicals. Law of nature should be followed in consumption of minerals. So we will follow the law of nature when we will dig out the minerals. Animals and fish resources should be protected and increased. Forest resources should be increased and more forests should be created in the country, because we need 25% of the total land area in our country, but ours have less forest resources. And students, there is a homework for you. Homework number 1, you will do your homework from lesson 1, 2 and 3. You will go through lesson 1, 2 and 3 at least 3 times, then you will do your homework. And these are the knowledge based question. Question number 1, which is the valuable natural resources of Bangladesh? I repeat, which is the valuable natural resources of Bangladesh? Number 2, what is called natural resource? Number 2, what is called natural resource? Number 3, what is biodiversity? Number 3, what is biodiversity? Number 4, what is the easy means for cargo transport and communication? Number 4, what is the easy means for cargo transportation and communication? So in this lesson we have learned about biodiversity and the condition of biodiversity in Bangladesh and what to do to protect biodiversity. So dear students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood our today's topic, and you will do your assigned homework in your homework copy, and you will submit your homework on every Sunday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the school library. Your parents or guardians can come to submit or collecting those homework copy. Your diary, sitting and SBI marks will be given on the basis of submitting all of your homework copies. So do your homework regularly and study a lot. See you again. Allah Hafiz.